So obviously we're doing another beautiful machine today. We're doing a case 350 is what we have in the ticket. We are doing another MC-i4, which is just what they would call an X53I. The I stands for indicate. Meaning just 4 sensors. It only gives you a reading to ground. You don't have any automatics with this type of system, but it will give you a grade reading, vertical or flat, and it just obviously speeds up operation. It helps the operators know where their grades are without stakes, and as you can see out here, there are absolutely no stakes. So it's going to benefit them. They're going to be able to tell what their grades are, and I have a lovely assistant today, Jesse, over there. He is great, and we have Matt filming, so that's what we've done today. Hope I don't fall over. Yeah, you're good. And we are within tolerance. See, we just gotta trust the process, man.
Y'all have a process?
Oh my God.
What?